Good morning, everyone. This is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and today is Wednesday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. But for traders, March 17th today has even more significance because today is the FOMC announcement day. And if you are a trader or you know anything about trading, you know that the 2 p.m. announcement causes a lot of volatility in the market. Let's get right into our economic calendar, and here we are, Wednesday, March 17th. Federal Reserve announcement, 2 p.m. I'll get to that in a minute. On CNBC, big news is that the Fed must walk a fine line Wednesday, and of course, that refers to interest rates. Going to our Emini chart for yesterday, March 16th, where were the low-risk entries? Well, the morning started out with stochastics in no man's land. Prices generally floated down throughout the day. A low-risk entry possibly could have been taken at 11:30, where stochastics was overbought and the market continued to float down. But in general, we see the trend followed a downward path. No real low-risk entries unless we followed the stochastics, but the returns were not great. However, I've drawn 4 lines on this chart to show one point of a very high probability trade with a low risk entry. And that's right over here at about 2:45, 2:45 or thereabouts. We see where our channel lines intersect right about over here at 39.53 with a corresponding oversold stochastic. And that would have been a very good low-risk entry, and the trade had good probability of success and ultimately did succeed. There was some profit taking at 3 o'clock, but then prices moved back up to the point where it retested the channel and resistance held. Now let's get back to what's going to happen today on March 17th. I can predict it. The market is going to basically vacillate, meander until 2 o'clock. And at 2 o'clock, all hell is going to break loose. And if you are a novice or a beginner trader, just watch what happens at about 2 o'clock. If you are a novice or beginner, I would highly suggest you do not trade because the action is fast, highly volatile to the up and down side, and you can tend to lose a lot of money. You can tend to make a lot of money if you guess right, but it'll be more of a guess. Watch the action. There's no reason to trade on this volatile FOMC announcement date and time. Anyway, that's my call for today, Wednesday, March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Final thoughts: exercise a lot of patience, use your good judgment, and trade safe. This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Have a great day.